If you want to see how I achieve these bomb looks, then keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video I am going to be showing you how I take these braids that I'm not quite ready to take down yet and turn them into 3 beautiful headband wig looks. Stay tuned. So I'm taking my 3-week-old lemonade braids that I'm going to be taking down soon, and I am just pinning them up so that I can show you how I created 3 headband looks using half wigs. Stay tuned. So now that my braids are all the way pinned up, I am going to apply my wig cap so that I can apply the first wig. Again, these are half wigs that I am using. These are all purchased from Ebony online, and I'll leave the information for all of these wigs in the description box. So this first wig is the Outre Quick Weave in the color 1B, and this is the style Jordana. It is a long wavy half wig, which I am going to be turning into a headband wig. So this wig comes with some combs and an adjustable strap. Again, this is a half wig. So I'm just going through and finger detangling. There was minimal to no shedding with this half wig, which was a plus, especially seeing how long the wig is. So again, I'm just going to be turning this half wig into a headband wig. So I'm just going to be grabbing one of my headbands and applying it right on top of the wig. And just like that, we have a headband wig. Definitely feeling this wig. It's under $20. Quick, easy headband wig, cute look. Let me know in the comments what you think about this one. Okay, next up we have another Outre Quick Weave, and this is the deep curl in the 14-inch, and this is also in the color 1B. This wig was also under $20, and I will leave the information for this one in the description box. This is another half wig that comes with combs and an adjustable strap. Now with these half wigs, you can leave some of your hair out in the front and blend it in, but I chose to just use headbands over them and just turn them into some headband wigs. So again, I'm going in with another headband for another headband wig look. I am really loving these quick and easy styles. This wig is definitely giving me a wet curl look and I am loving it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this one. So you can play around with the wig to get it to your desired look. You can do a half up, half down look. You can pull the hair to one side. It's all up to you and how you want to style your unit. And this is wig number 2. And last but not least, wig number 3. This is Moneymaker by Sensationnel, and this is also in the color 1B. I am so mad that I am just getting into this wig because this is by far my favorite, and you're gonna see why. Can we get into these beautiful curls? Okay then. So this is another half wig that comes with clips and adjustable strap. I am loving this blown out look with these spiral curls. This wig is so bomb. Okay, so these curls are big and full. Loving them. The natural look of this wig is just blowing me away. These curls are perfect. So again, I'm using another headband for another headband look. I am absolutely obsessed with this wig, so trust and believe you will be seeing more of it. Again, there are so many different styles that you can create with this wig. You can do half over to the side. You can do a half up, half down. You can pull it all up into a bun. The looks are endless. I don't know about y'all, but I am definitely feeling this wig. Let me know in the comments what you think. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.